Hello guys, it's Sammy again, and this is DIY Speed Garage. Welcome to the channel again. I just wanted to do a little update on on what's going on the channel and with how far I've gotten on my GX build and all that other stuff. So I'm going to show you real quick on the changes on the GX, what I've done, and something that I've gotten for the GX that I still have to add to it. So let's have a quick look, and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, haven't done much to the GX, but there's something. I don't know if you can tell. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, so that right there is my ARB Black Edition Deluxe Awning. I added that. I've had it for a while now, but I haven't installed it because I was waiting on the brackets. I got the Prinsu brackets, the low profile quick release brackets. I finally got them last week and could finally install my awning. Here's what it looks like from the top. They are, really easy to install on the Prinsu rack, and there's also little slots on each one where you can install little locks. I mean, if it was a cheap $100 awning, I really wouldn't care, but this thing was like 500 bucks. So gotta keep it safe. Now I'm going to this one comes with a light inside, like a LED, some kind of light. So I am going to run wiring when I do all my 12 volt system wiring, my electrical and everything. I'm going to run a wire somewhere to over here, and then I'll do some kind of like a quick connect, so that way, whenever it's put away and I'm not using the light, I just disconnect it, and then I can just have that connection right behind the awning somewhere, so it's always ready. Oh yeah, I bought a little hitch recovery thingy here. It's a nice one. I like it. I forget what brand it was. I'll put up links in the description. From Amazon, obviously. I get most of my stuff from Amazon, except for the awning stuff and the roof racks and all that. And I got this cool, very small little hitch locking pin. Looks really nice and compact, because I did have one that came with my tow hitch and everything, the ball and whatever, but it was too big, so I got this one instead. So let me show you guys what else is going on the channel. Yeah, I got a little toy right here, a little Yamaha Scooter. It's the X Max 300. Well, here in America it's just the X Max, I think. It's just for fun. Take my son for some, I don't know, weekend rides or whatever. Anyways, the big news. We got another GX. Found this for my mom. And yeah, 45,000 miles. 33, it was 33 grand, 33,300 I think. Beautiful, very nice, very clean. My mom liked my GX so much that she wanted to get one, so I sold her Blue Tech CDI, and yeah, I found this one. I don't know how I found it. It's like the price was perfect. Low miles, 45,000 miles, and I had to go and get it from Texas, and yeah, it was an adventure. Houston, and then New Orleans. Spent another night there, and yeah, I drove it back. I went with my son, so nothing really fancy gonna happen with this one. Nothing special. I installed the remote start for her with the CarLink app, so she can also remote start from her phone, and installed a little mirror folding module, automatic mirror folding module. And what else? I installed the tints, the tinted film on the front doors. I always use the same company. It's ceramic. I think it's called Alpine, full ceramic. It's got a lifetime warranty. I always buy it on eBay. Really good quality ceramic tint. Anyways, let me show you guys another accessory I bought for the GX. And I'm planning on installing this accessory I'm about to show you. I want to have everything set up on the roof rack so that when the wiring, when it comes time for wiring, you know, everything will be in its place and set up and ready to go. Like, I gotta put on my solar panel. I have my awning up there so I can run the wire for the awning. I gotta run the wire for the solar panel that I'm gonna install. So I'm gonna have everything installed. I'm still waiting on the brackets for my front light bars. I'm doing 2 light bars on the front, but smaller ones instead of just one. I didn't buy the brackets for the light bars from Prince when I originally bought them, and I regret that because now I'm still waiting on those brackets for the light bars. Anyways, come with me guys, let me show you real quick what I bought for the GX. Okay guys, so I decided I need a roof box of some sort. I found this one. It's a Rome Adventure company. I think it's the 95 liter one, I believe. And I've seen a bunch of videos on these on how to install them and everything, but most of the videos involve, you know, making holes, drilling holes through the bottom, and then you know, putting the bolts through, which I didn't want to do because that would ruin the, you know, it won't be watertight anymore. So I thought of a way how to install this to the, attach this to the roof rack without compromising the watertight, you know, on the box. And I already have the part that's gonna help me do that, which as a matter of fact just got delivered today. It's right there. And I'll do a video on that, how you can install this box without, you know, compromising the waterproofing. But yeah, this is the box. It's got the little struts that helps you open up. I've got a little recovery gear bag here already. And what's this? This is for my awning. I just have some of the paperwork and some of the stuff for it here. But yeah, I'm gonna keep all my recovery gear in here. I didn't want to waste my space inside the GX on you know, recovery gear and stuff, so I'm gonna mount this to the top on the roof rack. And yeah guys, that's what I got. I also bought the little organizer that goes here on the top. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description for this. This also included that little hitch recovery point thing. So I'll leave a link on the in the description on this. It comes with the bag and everything. I'll leave a link in the description on the box. It's really nice. And on the organizer. But yeah, anyways, check the description if you're interested in any of this stuff. Buy through my links if you want. Helps me out. Get a little commission from Amazon. So yeah guys, that's about it. I just wanted to update you guys on the channel what's been going on. Mostly a lot of waiting on parts and accessories. You know, the lead times are very long right now, and yeah, it's just been a waiting game. So you know, when I don't have anything to install, when I don't have the parts, I can't really make any videos. So another thing, you guys, I almost forgot to mention, I'm gonna be doing a video on my new tire carrier for the spare tire. Currently I don't have a spare tire because, you know, my new tires and wheels, the new tires are basically larger than the factory ones, and that wouldn't fit on the factory spare tire location. So I had a few options and I decided on a spare tire carrier, and I'm gonna do a video on that soon. I'm still waiting for it to arrive. You know, I told you everything is on back order and everything is, you know, has long lead times, but hopefully I should be getting it in a week or so. So stay tuned for that. Hit the little bell icon so you get notified whenever I put that video out. I'll do a DIY install because there is no DIY install on that specific tire carrier for the GX 460. But yeah, that's about it for now. We got the new GX for my mom. We got the little scooter. I don't know, I might do a video on that. And then on mine, we're gonna install the roof box. I'll do a video on that because all the videos you see online, or at least 95% of them, involved, you know, compromising the waterproofing of the case, which is like drilling holes into it. But my way, it's not gonna compromise any of the waterproofing, and it'll be very easy to attach and detach. So stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram for updates. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I'm at more than 1,000 subscribers now, so really thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and you know, share and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one very soon, you know, depending on the weather. There's supposed to be some tropical storm or hurricane coming through Florida tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.